Hi. It's plastic. Hi guys, so today in Kileleshwa, 2-bedroom apartments for sale and also to let. Let me give you specifics. These are the one we're in right now, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. 2.5 bathrooms, I mean 2 bedrooms are in suite and you have an extra guest cloakroom. Going for sale, there's a 1,500 square feet, 1,600 square feet and an 1,850 square feet. Prices between 15 million and about 17 million, thereabout. Yeah? So I want to take you around, you see the place, you enjoy it, and then we go to the next apartment because there are two different types of houses here. So you have what I'll show you right now, and then I'll take you to the next one, and then the other. So there are 2 blocks. On one side, they're for sale, the other side, just to let. And then I wish you could hear how quiet this place is. Let alone the way I'm speaking so loud and all that, moving around. This place is so quiet, it's weird. Then you have a rooftop deck, which, I don't know, they keep telling you some things and you assume I'm joking. I'll show you that, the views from that side. Hey, it's just the one, okay? So,
show me loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out.